a bit too. Peeps, I came off the road. I went on the road to deal with some biz and stuff like that. And I came in and I said, you know what, I'm going to make a video. Peeps, keep in mind, I just put on a song and I just move in my body. So definitely, yes, it is not a exercise step kind of thing. No, it's just playing a music or a song and just moving my body according to how I feel like moving it. As I keep saying before, it's not a hectic workout to build muscle and to burn this excessive amount of fat. It's more like you're at a shape that you are at and you're comfortable with, and you just want to, you know, do some sort of movements to like get your heart rate up, sweat, burn calorie, and just keep tone and keep fit. It's just basically about keeping fit. And yes, as again, you guys will say, oh, that don't seem like a workout. It seems like you're just whining. Definitely, yes. I'm a whiner. I mean, even though if I try to like put steps or move in it, definitely I'm gonna still be whining because I'm not a dancer, peeps. I'm definitely no dancer nor no dance choreographer or whatnot like that. Definitely not. So yes, I'll be whining. And nothing is wrong. Whining target the tummy, your waistline, your this, your that, and stuff like that. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. And stuff like that. So definitely, who cares? I'm just doing something. Anyways, peeps, hi friends, hi to all my subscribers, all to everyone that watch my videos and stuff like that. Definitely, peeps, I want to say sorry for not uploading a video in like a week, but I had phone issues. I don't want to get down in details because believe me, I'm still hurting. I have phone issues and I had really bad sinus. And peeps, when my sinus take me, it's like I'm catching. It's like I have chikungunya. It break me down completely, peeps. Break me down completely. So I was sick because I had phone issues and stuff like that. So thanks, peeps, for keep subscribe to me and stuff like that. And definitely big up to those guys that I met Saturday in Spanish Town Shopping Center and across from Spanish Town Shopping Center. Big up to you guys and thank you for subscribing. And even if you didn't, thank you for viewing my videos and thank you all. Peeps, I mean, you know, I can't promise you a video every day because I'm busy and I have other stuff doing. And this video, peeps, videoing takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, and sometimes, you know, a lot of stuff. And when you're uploading a video from your phone, peeps, believe me, when you're videoing with your phone or uploading a video from your phone, that shit takes a lot of work and that takes a lot of time to upload and stuff like that. So it's rough, but we'll get there. We get there, peeps. As I promise you, you know, improvement as we go or as this thing grows. So definitely, yes. What do you say? Well, anyways, peeps, just enjoy the videos, and videos will be coming up shortly, very soon, and stuff like that. So peeps, just stick with me, please. Stick with me. Bye bye.